In this video, I will use specific example to explain what the first difference is. First, please look at this linear relation y equals 2x minus 5. Here, how to figure out the first differences. According to the explanation of first differences, we know the prerequisite should be x changes evenly. That is to say, the first one, x1, x2, x3, x4, x1 changes from x changes from x1 to x2 to x3 to x4. This change must be the same. That is to say, the interval should be the same. This is so-called even change. Okay, now if we assume x1 equals -2, y should be -9. X equals -1, y should be -7. X equals 0, y should be -5. X equals 1, y equals -3. X is 2, y equals -1. Here we can figure out the first difference. Because we have known this y and this y, the difference is so-called first difference. We can use -7 minus -9. We get the difference equal to 2. Similarly, we use -5 minus -7, we get 2. Similarly, we get the difference is 2. Here, the difference is also 2. So, we get the same number. That is to say, first differences are the same number, a constant. You must be careful. Here, -2 changes to -1. The difference is +1. Next, changes to 0. The change is also +1. Similarly, +1. Similarly, +1. So, this is even change for x. Okay, now, if we have known first difference, a constant, the same number 2, we can reversely get the conclusion. That is to say, the original relation between x and y, the relation must be a linear relation. But here, I use this example to demonstrate what the first difference is. We have known this is a linear relation. We can get the first difference, constant. If we have known first differences are constant, we can reversely get the conclusion the original relation must be a linear relation. Additionally, we can use generalized situation to prove this conclusion in algebra. That is to say, we can use y equals mx plus b. Here, y1 equals mx1 plus b. y2 equals mx2 plus b. y3 equals mx3 plus b. where 4 equals mx4 plus b. So the first difference, we should use this algebraic expression to minus this algebraic expression. You will find out b will disappear. And we can isolate the common factor m. So we get m x2 minus x1. This is the first difference. Similarly, the first difference should be x3 minus x2. The first difference should be x4 minus x3. We have known the difference of x changes evenly. So we can get x2 minus x1 equals x3 minus x2 equals x4 minus x3. Here, m is the slope. So we can get the conclusion. This expression and this expression, they are equal to each other. So we say the first differences are the same number, a constant. This conclusion is based on the original relation. This relation is a linear relation. Reversely, if we have known the first differences are the same, we can get the conclusion. The original relation is a linear relation.